napudot na sila. Walang problema. Diyan lang kasi.
Ship.
Para dito lang.
Cargo ship.
Sa labas, na naman yan.
Yeah, wala.
Look at this. This is so cool.
Hindi, sublime ka ho.
Siyempre, subliyo na ito. See? Nice, ah.
Look at this. It's like home.
Look
at that.
Video adata.
Video ka talaga. Bili mo ako dito.
Port of Auckland.
Pictures ka ko amin.
So this is Chief Engineer Hubert D. Graciano. Yeah, we're in the ship. This is the 7th floor. It's my first time being in a cargo ship. Get a stairway lift. This is so cool. Okay, we are now here to eat at his office. Okay, so this is now the bedroom. Oh, look at that. They even have the label. Oh, look at that. The bedroom. And look the toilet. The bathroom.
Dati yung gala dito ako pa mati kapitan. So nga dito kwarto nga dito katabi kami. Tapos kung adama opisina na dyan. Tapos di lang katabi. It's like one data is they call it service, one service system. For example, like the main engine. ME means main engine and generator engine fuel or service system. Meaning to siya dito yung fuel na.
So maka-email ka daw ta?
Maka-email mo kita, the webcam. Basta, ada man lang, ada yung
kita kayo mo.
Naduma, kung sasarita kami.
Amuna nga da kami to eh.
Amuna karon? Amuna. Kung na kanina ka, sige, kita ka doon pa, sarita kayo, madamdam ako na. Ngayon mawa mo siya na, trabaho na alas 6 yan eh. Sumrot. 6 o'clock di labi.
Ewan ah. Tatamo ti pulpul nito.
Kami? Ako na,
They have like that, and it doesn't roll because if it's like there's strong waves, it will go. So everything's like bolted down.
Mali ka mabali, mabili lang ka talaga. So ano ka huni ka?
Last 360 view.
Kaya lang, kaya yung problema dati, street to agriculture.
It's already 3:30 p.m.
Plastic.
Artificial.
Okay, so we're gonna have a tour.
No, ada fire.
What?
Ada fire, automatic na din. Ate, bakit tabubi ka dyan natin?
I don't know.
Beep! Kuna na. Ito, automatic at close dito.
That means what
it means to say vacuum. Vacuum lahat dito, kung may fire na kita, siyempre amin na close kita, matay di ba? Matay di apoy.
Hi!
Kaya mapinsan ko. Libot ko lang eh.
Wow. Wow, this is the bridge.
Oh, Bisaya? Oo, Cebuano.
This is the bridge.
Maayo yung trabaho din eh.
Look at this. This is the bridge. We're at the bridge. Wow. Woohoo. Wow. El Capitan. That's the El Capitan. Look at that.
You want to stay with the whale? I'll take you a picture.
Wow.
You're the captain.
This is so cool. That's their GPS. Wow. Look at that, that's their compass. We're facing just below east. So that's east directly.
Meters.
I'm facing there. So cool. This is at the bridge. This is the driver.
We call this one bridge.
The bridge.
Yeah, this is the holy place for deck
You know what
officers.
this?
Yeah.
May camera na.
Take a picture. Okay. I can take it.
Naman mo na ano.
As long.
Sorry.
Yes.
Hindi mo mga naala. Handa ka naala din. Handa naala niya.
Oh, look at San Francisco.
Dati dito take it.
You can see San Francisco from here.
It's not there. It's not there.
Wow.
The 122, this one, 122. So this is the California, you see?
Ah, okay. There you go.
Yeah. So when the vessel is moving, and it will always change, you will see the degrees then. It will increase, and then the vessel will go like that. So you know where to move. Depends on how the weather forecast will going to tell us where to go. Because the typhoon is moving, so we have to go up like that, and then like that. If the weather bullshit going down, then we have to go down. This is typhoon already.
As of now.
So now if you see,
Okay, so now we're leaving the bridge. Look at that. It's nicer there.
Sa Facebook, nasuka na. Gusto niya yan.
I'm going back to the room.
Kasi mayroon always na tao dyan eh.
kaya dito sa G, yung G na to, ay makikita mo. Ito lang kami, dalawa lang kami, no?
Oh.
Diba?
The library.
Doon kayo,
Wow.
nadama mo ba yung agbasa dito? Di ba?
Una, tatadungan yung plano kami, di ba? Kita mo eh.
Oh.
Kami nga libro, di construction ni barko, pati makina dato eh.
Interesting.
Hyundai.
Officer's Lounge. Whoa,
Ang dami ni
nice.
bartender.
Depende sa inyo kung sino bartender.
Oh.
Ayan, ito, meron kaming town dito, counter. Ayan, may... Pagka paggabi may party, siyempre.
Siyempre.
Tao, yan, may yan, ganyan.
Ah.
Whoa.
Hindi tatay, hindi pagkos, wakot, tatuyan.
Ah.
Pag-refuel lang ako. Nakarkarga ako ng tangke na ito eh. So, kasang tayo control, no, kasi may pagkuhan, yung bulbs na, how to open and close. Siya. Tayo mo yun, in-chipmate.
Galley. I'm guessing this is the kitchen. Oh, wow. Kitchen. Wow, look at this.
Ano niluluto mo? Chicken. Fried chicken. Sarap. Fried chicken wings. Ay, ito yung mga. Hindi kayo nandun.
Ooh.
Ito dyan, langir mo yun. Cruise. Patay dyan.
Wala.
Cruise mess room.
Tapos bawat isa meron kami mga sarili-sariling ano.
Oh, they have music in here too. Wow, look at this. This is like another thing.
Sila may music ako.
It's almost 4 p.m.
Doon na tayo sa refrigerator.
Oo, nako.
Reception
Photo
room.
quality, immigration, and custom.
The lift and stairway.
Port.
Restricted area.
This is our freezer. Hindi lang yan, meron pa
This is the freezer.
This is a freezer, William.
This is the fish room.
Whoa.
Ay!
Look at this. We're in the. Wow. This is so tight.
Baka
Oh,
masaran
this is
tayo
the
ah!
freezer. I'll stay here. I'll stay here. I don't want to close this. Wow, look at that.
Kasi centralized yan.
Wow, we are in the ship right now.
Yes, too big, but sometimes kasi we travel about 2 months to
Yeah.
Hong Kong eh. Lagi kami Hong Kong. So we go to Northern Hong Kong for 2 months. So hindi na stuck ka.
This is the mini elevator.
Pero dapat di pa. If you watch the Titanic,
There's the engine room.
the
The engine room.
Yan itong bukso, muffler. Ito yung muffler.
Wow.
Mamaya magpa-picture kayo dyan, oh.
already 5:20ish p.m. We're just waiting for the bus. I think there's no more bus because it's until 5 only, and it's kind of raining. This is the gym. Wow, look at that.
Ginawa namin yan.
We're leaving the ship. That's the ship. Now we're leaving. That's where it came from. I'm covering the camera because it's raining. That's where it came from.
Sino itatawag dyan? Walang tawag dyan.
Walang tao eh. Ang talaga tao eh.
Apa itu DJ?
Okay, apparently we're stranded here. They stopped the buses at 5 p.m. Now it's already like 5:30. We're just waiting here at the port. So yeah, and it's like a little bit drizzly right now. So yeah, we're just like figuring out what to do. We could walk back, but it's kind of far. That's the ship where we came from, the Hanjin, and that's the bay, the San Francisco Bay, and you can see a little bit of downtown San Francisco, the Transamerica Pyramid. So yeah, so just have to wait. We're gonna try to tell that person so we can ride in that truck. Yeah, we're just waiting, so let's just explore. This is like a lounge. Woohoo, we got it!